Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to install Docker on TrueNAS Scale. First, navigate to the Apps page on your TrueNAS Scale dashboard. Here, you will see a list of available applications. Any of these can be installed by selecting the Install button next to the app name. When you click the Install button, a sidebar will appear on the right side of the screen. This is where you can modify specific settings related to the container, such as the name, storage paths, and networking options. Even though it may look like each app is its own independent application, behind the scenes, it is actually a Docker container. The Apps section in TrueNAS Scale simply provides a graphical interface to quickly configure and deploy these containers. Once you begin the installation, the system will automatically pull the required Docker image. You can see this happening in the Manage Docker Images section. This is also where you can manually download new images or update existing ones when needed. By using this method, you can create and manage Docker containers on TrueNAS Scale quickly and efficiently. Thanks for watching.